You know omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain health. They are the literal building block of the neuron. But did you know that recent clinical studies have shown that benefits can go even further, and it has nothing to do with the brand or the dose? Elevated levels of homocysteine have been shown to effectively sabotage the full potential of omega-3s. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show the studies that illustrate how easy it is to lower homocysteine and unlock your brain's full potential. As research into brain health evolves, two groups of nutrients keep rising to the top: omega-3 fatty acids and B vitamins. Each are important on their own, and recent studies suggest that their combined synergistic impact can't be ignored, especially for anyone concerned about aging, cognition, or early signs of memory loss. All content we publish has receipts. I have a master's degree in molecular biology. I've worked as a patent attorney on some of the most innovative nutrients over the last 15 years. And we've reviewed hundreds of peer-reviewed studies, and I've personally spoken with hundreds of medical practitioners, including neurologists, pediatricians, and psychiatrists, about the nutrients they actually recommend to their patients to support brain health. The first are omega-3 fatty acids, particularly the polyunsaturated fatty acids EPA and DHA. Our body can't make them on their own, so we have to get them from food or from supplements. DHA is a major structural fact that makes up the gray matter of the brain, and EPA supports mood regulation and helps lower inflammation. When omega-3 levels are healthy, studies show better memory, reduced brain shrinkage with age, and lower risk of cognitive decline. The next group of nutrients are the B vitamins, and they're crucial for brain function. The key players are vitamin B6, B9 or folate, and B12. These B vitamins get the attention like a quarterback or running back and a wide receiver on a football team, but you also need the offensive line, a tight end, and other wideouts to complete the whole offensive team. The B vitamin team are responsible for methylation, which is essential for neurotransmitter production and DNA repair. Homocysteine regulation is also affected by B levels because high homocysteine is a known risk factor for cognitive decline. And B vitamins are responsible for neurotransmitter synthesis like norepinephrine, dopamine, and serotonin, which influence mood and cognition. When the B vitamin levels are low, the brain becomes more vulnerable to stress, inflammation, and impaired signaling. Here's where it gets really interesting. Several major studies have shown that combining omega-3s and B vitamins lead to brain benefits that neither achieve alone. In multiple clinical trials, B vitamin supplements only helped slow cognitive decline in people who already had high omega-3 levels, and vice versa. Omega-3s only improved cognition in people with low homocysteine, which B vitamins help regulate. In other words, each nutrient depends on each other to activate its full potential. Now, why would this be the case? There isn't just one reason for this synergy, but the full cognitive benefit arises from a multifactorial interaction. B vitamins reduce homocysteine and support nitric oxide for better blood flow. Omega-3s enhance membrane fluidity and reduce inflammation, and together they improve neurovascular function, neurotransmitter synthesis, and protect against brain atrophy. One standout study proves this point. It split participants into 4 groups: one that took omega-3s, one that took B vitamins, and one that took both, and another placebo. Only the group that took both, B vitamins and omegas, showed significant improvements in cognition. Many B vitamin studies alone had mixed results, and if someone's omega-3s are low or if they have high homocysteine, the pathways the B vitamins are meant to support just aren't functioning well. Taken together, the research points to this. Omega-3s and B vitamins aren't just complementary, they're interdependent. We've heard this time and time again from medical practitioners that recommend patients take omega-3s. They do all right, but they didn't really show marked improvement until they took methylated B vitamins as well. The active B vitamins that cross the blood-brain barrier, like L-methylfolate, pyridoxal 5-phosphate, and methylcobalamin, avoid the bench warmers like folic acid, cyanocobalamin, and pyridoxine hydrochloride. Look for the bioavailable versions of omega-3s for the brain, which are LPC-DHA and LPC-EPA. Is it safe long-term? B vitamins are water-soluble, so that generally means the body will eliminate whatever it doesn't need. However, some people are sensitive to methylated vitamins, and 7% of the population are overmethylators, and there are gene tests that you can take to see precisely what you need. Omega-3s and B vitamins each support your brain in different ways, and when taken together, their synergy may offer the best defense against cognitive decline, because real brain support isn't about one nutrient, it's about the whole system working together.